Let's make a fall classic, apple pie. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the crust. Start by combining your flour, sugar, and spices in a large bowl. Then take your cold sticks of butter and cut them into 1-inch pads. In order to get a buttery crust, you want the butter to be straight out of the fridge. Add in your vinegar and then use a biscuit cutter to mix the crust. I will be using my hands because I do not have a biscuit cutter accessible to me at the moment, but it really is ideal for this recipe. And this is what you'll want it to look like. Refrigerate the crust for 20 minutes before flouring your surface to roll out the crust. Push together the dough and place 1 tablespoon of butter in the center. Then roll out your dough and repeat this step 4 more times. This helps to create flaky layers into your pie crust. Refrigerate the dough for 10 more minutes before finally rolling it out. You want your pie crust to be 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick and about the shape of your pan. To transfer it into your greased pie pan, gently roll the dough around your rolling pin, pick up the rolling pin, and then roll it into your pie pan. Fix any blemishes to your crust and then take a fork to poke holes into the bottom. Paint your pie with an egg wash, which is 1 egg with a little bit of water, and bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. This is an initial bake, so it doesn't have to be cooked all the way through. While the crust bakes, work on the apple filling. Start by adding your lemon juice into a medium-sized bowl. Then peel your apples and cut them into slices by cutting around the core. You want to get your apple slices into the lemon juice as soon as possible to prevent oxidation. Then add in the brown sugar, saving the extra tablespoon for later, cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and cloves. Mix together the filling and transfer it into a pan to cook the mixture on medium-high heat for 10 to 12 minutes. I prefer my apples to still have some bite to them after being baked into the pie, but if you prefer your apples softer in texture, cook for an extra 2 to 5 minutes. When your filling is ready, you can finally pour it into your pie crust, sprinkle the extra tablespoon of brown sugar on top, and then bake the pie one last time at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to check out my channel for other recipes.